Hello everyone, welcome to another lecture by Codeshala, and today we'll be getting familiar with the concept of data transmission. Data transmission. Data can be transmitted over short or long distances. However, there are three factors which have to be considered before transferring the data, and each of these factors have to be agreed by both the sender and receiver for seamless transmission. Factor number one, the direction of the data transmission. That is, if the transmission is unidirectional or bidirectional. Factor number two, the method of transmission. That is, the number of bits that can be sent at one time. Thirdly, the method of synchronization between the devices. We will talk about these three factors in greater detail in the upcoming slide. Now, we'll be discussing the different modes of data transmission. There are three different modes of data transmission. Number one, simplex data transmission. In this, data can be sent in one direction only. An example of this can be television broadcasting. Number two, half duplex data transmission. Data can be sent in both the directions but not at the same time. A classic example of this could be an email. Number three, full duplex data transmission. Data can be sent in both the directions simultaneously. Different methods of data transmission. There are two different methods of data transmission. Number one, serial transmission. In serial transmission, one bit is sent at a time using a single wire. There are lesser chances of data getting skewed. That is, there is lesser chance of data errors while the data is transmitted over long distances. However, the rate of transmission is very slow. Number two, parallel transmission. In this, many bits are sent at a time using multiple wires. The data transmission is faster, however, there are more chances of data getting skewed. Finally, we will be talking about the methods of synchronization. There are two methods of synchronization. Number one, asynchronous transmission. It refers to data being transmitted in an agreed bit pattern. Data bits, that is, ones and zeros, are grouped together and sent with control bits. This means that the receiver of the data knows when the data starts and when it ends. Synchronous data transmission. It is a continuous stream of data, unlike in asynchronous data transmission. The data is accompanied by timing signals generated by an internal clock. This ensures that the sender and receiver are synchronized with each other. This allows for lesser chance of errors compared to asynchronous transmission.